Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use clear mode on TikTok. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. When clear mode is activated, many elements of TikTok's user interface are temporarily hidden, so that they don't appear on top of the video. To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Select the video where you want to apply the clear mode, then long press on that video. A new menu will open where you will see clear mode. Tap on it, and you will see TikTok hides all the options that appear beside a video, including the captions, the overlaid buttons, and the audio bar. Keep in mind that you will have to turn it on for every video if you want to see those videos in clear mode. To exit from clear mode, again long press on the video and tap on exit. Or you can simply tap on this small icon to exit from the clear mode. So in this way, you can use clear mode on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.